The first time I heard of your product is when his friend introduced it to us. Kinuwento niya sa amin yung naging effect sa kanya ng product nyo. He is diabetic and he was hospitalized because he is partially blind already. May gangrene yung lower extremities niya. And na 50-50 siya sa hospital. And then, he took complete 8 capsules a day, yung initial. Yun ang prescribe sa kanya. Actually, doctor doon daw yung sa kanya yung nag-prescribe sa kanya. It was also a doctor. So, pinescribean siya ng 8 capsules a day. Tapos, after 3 days, nag-dry up daw yung niya, yung kanyang gangrene. So, hindi na amputate yung kanyang leg. And then, we tried the product first. Bumili siya ng leave-in, yung coffee nyo, and then yung complete. So, kasi noon may problem ako sa cyst. I have breast cyst. And then, may solid nodule. Multiple. And then, one of those was a solid nodule na kailangan nang i-operate. Kaya ayoko magpa-opera. So, I tried it. Kasi I saw it dun sa friend niya na ganun yung drastic yung recovery talaga niya. So, I tried it for yung 1 box lang muna. 1 box is 30 capsules lang. I tried it. Yung 1 box lang na yun, inubos ko. Nagpa-ultrasound ulit ako. It turned out na negative na. Hindi na makita nung doctor sa ultrasound yung nodules. Kaya noon, after that, tinuloy ko yung pag-drink ng complete.
It was a vehicular accident that happened October 3 in Daanghare, Alabang, Cavite area. I was driving all alone. There was this. I had that accident. And the next thing I knew, wala na akong malay noon. I ended up here at San Juan de Dios Hospital at the intensive care unit. I didn't know what was happening. It was really painful. And then yun nga, nawalan ako ng malay. But in a way, I was in comatose.
He was in the ICU for 9 days. So, wala talaga siyang memory about yung nangyari sa kanya. His brain was swollen. Yun yung sabi ng doctor, swollen yung brain niya. Ang sabi ng doctor, it will take 6 months daw para makarecover, to remember. Sabi ng doctor. Noon sa ICU, hindi alam nung mga doctors na pinapainom ko siya nung complete. Kasi siya nakita ko yung effect sa akin. So, binigyan ko siya. Remarkable yung niya, yung recovery niya. Gumising siya. Tapos, nagulat din yung doctor niya sa recovery niya na parang biglaan. So, hindi na siya hindi na nag-operate yung doctor. Hindi na kinailangan ng operation. Sabi ng doctor, maswerte siya. Saka nagulat din yung doctor na ganun kabilis yung recovery niya. Kasi nag-start na nag-swell down yung swelling sa brain niya. He stayed there for 2 more weeks sa hospital niya. Pero during those 2 weeks na yon, nag-improve yung memory niya. Nakilala na niya ako, alam niya yung pangalan ko, alam niya yung pangalan ng mga anak namin, pati yung mother niya, alam niya na yung pangalan. It started sa mga names. They can even text. Naka-text na siya sa hospital, nagulat kami nung nakakatawag siya. Dati nung hindi niya ma-recognize kung ano yung cellphone. Hindi niya alam kung ano tawag dun. Kasi I believe na kaya kahit 2 capsules So kahit na basta regular lang, na continuous din yung intake niya nun, I believe na makaka-recover siya. Saka dati may complaints of headache. Pag medyo late na during the days, masakit yung ulo niya, masakit, saka malabo yung mata niya. malaki noon. Tapos, nung C24/7 na yung tinitake niya after a month, mga January na yun, na-observe niya na hindi na sumasakit yung ulo niya. Tapos, medyo hindi na ganun kalabo din yung mata niya. Hindi ako na-surprise na positive yung effect niya. Alam ko na ganun ang magiging effect sa kanya. Kasi na-prove ko na sa sarili ko na makakatulong sa kanya yun. So, kumbaga, waiting na lang. Yung time na lang will tell. Yun na lang inaantay ko, yung time na dumating na makaka-recover siya, na mariregain niya yung memory niya. Ngayon, unti-unti, up to now, nagtitake pa rin siya niyan. 3 times a day na, yung C24/7. Well, I'm glad na merong product na C24/7 na food supplement na that can help us, especially my husband, to recover dun sa temporary na memory loss niya.
Doon ko lang nalaman na all the time, the reason why I had a very fast recovery, it was because of this product of AIM Global. And I knew for a fact, yes, okay, I should have died. That was given. I should have died. And I know the Lord gave me a second chance in life. The important thing is I'm back. I'm back with my life because of the Lord, and I have a strong life, a new life, very strong and very happy because of C24/7.